Hi, everyone, and thanks, Alan. And I'm going to be very quick this morning because I just want to zip through this very rapidly. Before we do, just to confirm on the discount, that discount of 20% applies to everything. It applies to individual indicators, it applies to bundles, it applies to the education programs. And all you need to do, I've left it in the chat there, is just email us at either helpdesk@quantumtrading.com or helpdesk@quantumtradingeducation.com with the coupon LS20% somewhere in the title or in the body of the email, and we will then create a coupon for you for whichever indicator or bundles or program you wish to take advantage of. It's an early Black Friday deal. In terms of, let me just quickly tell you where everything is here. This is Anna's site, annacouling.com. This has been out for a little while now, but we did the audio version. Anna launched that earlier this year. It's been hugely successful, very, very popular. And also the full color paperback version of the VPA book. So if you have the black and white and you want the color, it is available. And in fact, many of the other books are also available in color too. So you'll find them all over on Amazon. And I have to say, a lot of people on Twitter, what they'd like to have is they like to have the book itself, the hard copy book, but to also have the audio and to have the two in sync, which apparently a lot of people enjoy. So if you've not tried that, head on over to Amazon, check out Anna, and you'll find the audio version there. In terms of indicators, you'll find them at quantumtrading.com, which is here. That's where you find all four for TradeStation, TradingView, NinjaTrader, or MT4. And in terms of the education, say we do two programs. One is for stocks on the left, one is for Forex on the right. They are hugely, these are big programs. There's a huge amount of information in there. There's a massive amount of detail about taking on to the next level in terms of VPA, hundreds of worked examples, both in video and also text as well. So it's both of those programs are enormous and took us several years to put together, but we're very proud of them, and the feedback is always very, very positive about them also. And the 5 stars on the VPA book really speak for themselves. Very quickly, what I wanted to just touch on today, Anna's talked about the indicators, absolutely great. And while she was talking, what I did was I went and dug out a couple of trades on EuroCAD, because there was a really nice trend which developed. This one here, this is on the 1 minute. What I've got here is very fast time frames. I've got 15-second, 30-second, and 1 minute. Now, for those of you who know us well, maybe you've been on a coaching program with us, you'll know that this is a very popular area of time frames for me personally. I use it a great deal. The primary reason that I would suggest you consider it is twofold. First of all, for learning VPA, if you're new to VPA, it's a great way to get up to speed with VPA quickly because everything happens fast, naturally. But second, where markets are in a sideways congestion, which certainly some of them have been, and certainly as far as the MNQ and indices are concerned, that is very true. If you do want to trade or have a need to trade or desire to trade, you're going to have to move down to faster time frames to pick up those trends, which to us as out-and-out scalping traders, this is a 1 minute time frame. This is a purely, this is a tradable trend. This is a tradable trend, the reversal. Both are very solid trends. We have another one here. We have a downtrend here. Both are tradable. You can scalp them. You can trade much larger size for shorter space of time. Being in the market for a short time has a great advantage in that you're not likely to get sideswiped by anything that Dear Donald's liked to say, as indeed was the case on October the 10th when the market took a huge hit as a result. So there is a big advantage of being in the market for short periods of time. I appreciate these are not for everybody, but if the market is in congestion, what you've got to appreciate is that for a trend trader on these fast time frames, these are perfectly tradable trends. Nothing wrong with them. You can take money out of the market, but for a swing or trend trader, this is nothing more than noise. And that's the difference, and why it's so important that when you set your stall out, you decide what it is you're going to do. How long am I going to be in for? If I'm taking a 1 minute trade, how long am I going to be in for? Am I in for the rest of the day? No, of course not. It doesn't make sense. It's not logical. You're going to be in for a few minutes. It's as simple as that. It's tying everything to reality. I've got the VRSI indicator running down at the bottom here. and I've got the bear chart on the below. So you've got the same time frames here. You've got the volume relative strength indicator, which is a perfect complement to the VPA methodology because it will reinforce what you are seeing in terms of the VPA method, the VPA analysis. It will help you because it's color coded, and it gives you in a similar way that we look at VPA in terms of strength, in terms of height of bars, in terms of relationship of bars. We do the same thing here. The height of the bar, let's just pop the 1 minute up again. The height of the bar signals momentum and strength. That's why we've got a strong trend. Appreciate it's only a minute, but that's what we've got. So the color signals the second element, which is strength as well. So we've got height of bars and color. And as the height of bars diminishes and the color changes to a darker color, it signals the end of potentially that trend run up or down. The other thing I just wanted to highlight here for you is these lovely trap moves that we've got. This was a perfect example. You can imagine everyone jumping in here on the fear of missing out, thinking, oh, great, we're at the bottom. That trend is now coming to an end, so we're going to pick up the bullish momentum here again. No, completely wrong, because the volatility indicator is triggered. What do we expect with the volatility indicator? One of two things, either congestion or a reversal, which is exactly what we got here. And you would then be stopped out, or you would get out through boredom because you're in congestion and it's time to exit. The volatility indicator is an extremely powerful indicator because it's associated with, and you've got another one over here, you've got two here, two or three actually. You had one here. It's associated with market maker or insider participation because they know that emotion is triggered in us when we see something like this. We may be waiting for something to happen. The market snaps, it snaps up. We jump in, fear of missing out, and we get trapped. We then get one to the downside. It goes sideways. It's what we expect. It carries on lower. We carry on down. We get another one. Snaps higher. End of the trend. Doesn't look like it. Going sideways and possibly reversing and carrying on in the bearish trend. So using the volatility indicator, it's immensely powerful. You can use it in all time frames. And the beauty of it is that the indicator will trigger in real time before the candle closes. In other words, you don't have to wait for the candle to close. Now, on these fast time frames, not so significant, but if you're on a 5, 10, or 15-minute time frame, or an hourly time frame, or even a daily time frame, it will tell you loud and clear that we are trading in a volatile candle. That becomes the master candle. It dictates what happens next. We either get a reversal or we get congestion, both of which are damaging emotionally. So I just wanted to leave it there, and we're going to end the session now. Thank you so much for coming along today. Don't forget the 20% discount, which is now running, and drop us an email either at helpdesk@quantumtrading.com or helpdesk@quantumtradingeducation.com to take advantage of that. Just include the LS 20% coupon value, and we will get a coupon out to you to apply in the shop. So thank you for that. We will see you soon. And bye for now.